Hi, my name is Amin Xavier and I'm CEO of Definitechs. In our company, we provide a solution to automatically extract features and objects out of LiDAR data. Land surveyors had automated data collection using 3D laser scanners, but they spend a lot of time in processing the data, extracting various objects out of the data sets. So what we provide is to automatically extract features out of such huge data sets with the help of AI. AI is in fact really critical to our startup because it empowers our current technology to be able to automatically extract different features and objects out of our data sets. But the good thing with joining with NextAI was that we learned a lot of things during this program, especially with the cases, and that really helped us to better understand the business world and to better understand how other co-founders around the world have tackled different problems. And that was something that we learned from it, and so far we are leveraging that. Definitely, I believe that I've grown through this program. Before I joined NextAI, I really was thinking of this as another program like other programs in the city, which provides general, or I would say generic, means of learnings for startups. But in reality, what I really learned was so much that in terms of, it's an unforgettable cohort to me. So I would like to thank you, everybody, all the organizers, Donnie, Manu, Simon, Gerard, and George, who was our venture manager. Everybody helped us a lot. They were working hard. We know that. We have seen how hard they worked, and everything was on time. This cohort was conducted for the first time online, and I really realized it very seamless. So I would like to thank you all for providing such environment here in Montreal.